Pro-Tec Equipment's slide rail system consists of 5 basic components: panels, corner posts, spreader posts, spreader beams, and roller beams. Looking straight down from the top, here is what the corner post looks like. Note the outer and inner tracks. Panels slide vertically in these tracks. As with corner posts, spreader posts have an inner and outer track to accommodate the panels. Additionally, the inside face is slotted to accept roller spreader beams. Spreader beams are used as horizontal bracing between spreader posts. These beams can be moved vertically to allow adjustable clearance during the excavating and installation of the system.